show couldn't start until you pointed at the girls?
That's right. I'd go in 5, 4, 3, 2.
You forgot the one.
No, see, I intentionally don't say the one.
It's okay, Freddie. Whenever I'm proud, I always forget 3.
No, but I didn't forget to say 1. I do it on purpose. What?
Sounds like...
You're back! Robbie was just singing me a little song he wrote called...
I know what it's called. He wrote that song for me.
Cat!
I'm swell, me! He sang this to me over a year ago.
Well, he's singing it to me now.
My life really is awkward.
Robbie, I thought you and me had something special.
Well, it seems like you've got something special with a lot of fellas.
Good one, Glasses.
Why did you call Robbie and invite him here?
Why did you call Freddie?
Robbie is in love with me.
So, Freddie's in love with me.
Now, wait a second. If you're so in love with Sam, then why have you been running around Los Angeles for doodling with cats? I haven't doodled with cats.
You could have if you wanted to.
How dare you? You deserve this. I probably do a lot of sit-ups. Why are you mad at me?
Because you came here to LA and all you care about is hanging with cats.
I came here because I thought you broke your buttocks. God, I said buttocks in front of girls again.
You know, none of this would have happened if you hadn't stolen my friend Jade.
Oh, what kind of friend are you? Bringing Freddie here and flirting with him when you know he's the only guy I ever loved.
What now?
Oh, flirting to make a point.
I don't understand any of this. Let me help you understand. You and I are being used. Really? Sam?
Maybe I used you a little.
You're happy about that? Oh, heck yeah! Up to this point in my life, my problem has been a lack of use. So if I must be a pawn in the game of love, then I say, play ball! So you have no self-respect? Not a lick!
Okay, listen to this.
Oh, let me guess, Dave. You got a big problem, don't you? I bet you got a big problem.
Yeah, I got a big problem. You want to know why? Because I won 200 pounds of tuna fish in a poker game. I can't sell them, and the dirty skipper won't jump them with his motorcycle, even though I sold 200 tickets.
That kid has amazing hair.
You texted me and said the dirty skipper was going to jump the tuna. Well, he was. Till he went online and found out how dangerous Kansas Razorback tuna fish are. I'm in major trouble here. No, you're not. Because I'm going to jump the tuna.
Yes. You promised me you wouldn't.
Oh, what do you care? You can't like me very much if you're going to flirt with my ex-boyfriend right in front of my face.
What? Well, you flirted with Robbie right in front of my face.
Oh, you mean like this? That was some tasty Robbie.
Jump your stupid motorcycle over the tuna fish.
Whoa, that sounds dangerous.
It is. I don't care what happens to you.
Sam, I don't like the idea.
Why don't you go check up on your new little girlfriend, Kat?
Dude.
I'll jump the tuna. But my bike's too heavy. You find me a dirt bike. 4-stroke 150. You got it!
Excuse me. I'm recording. Would you mind saying, that was some tasty Robbie again?
Look, don't take this the wrong way, but you make me sick.
I get it.
Did I miss anything?